Good morning, Las Vegas, and welcome to another edition of Your Insurance Connection. I'm your host, Donald Marquez, and happy holidays to everyone. Thanksgiving is coming up. We're gonna get full on some turkey, some ham if you eat ham. It's some good food, good company, family get together, and just enjoy each other. Watch a lot of football. Watch football last night. Frank, did you enjoy the game last night?
Oh, yeah, it was awesome.
It was awesome. I think we see a new era in the quarterback position. Lamar Jackson, that's all he got to say is Lamar Jackson. I mean, this guy is a truly amazing quarterback. I think they're going to have two quarterbacks to keep up with this type of pace, because this guy runs, he passes the ball. He's just all over the place. We getting ready to see a new era of quarterback in the NFL Football League. Now, there's no more sitting back in the pocket. I think that's old school now. That's getting to the point where if you're not running and making it happen, it's not going to happen. These linemen are too quick. But anyway, enjoy the game last night. Enjoy you listening. Keep it locked right here, Power 88. I have a lot of information. We talk about insurance on Your Insurance Connection. What you need to know about your insurance. I get a lot of calls for all type of reasons when it comes to insurance. A lot of people want to know why is my car insurance rates going up. I've just purchased a new vehicle, and the rates are higher than they used to be because I bought this new car. But you have to understand, when you go out and purchase a new car, it is always wise to get an insurance quote before you purchase that car. Get the vehicle identification number before you purchase that vehicle. That way you shop early on the insurance, because eventually you're going to have insurance on that new purchase. Right? Now, if you're used to having liability only on your vehicle, now you have to add collision and comprehensive. You have to expect a rate increase. However, if you have a car that you're trading in, you purchase this new car, and you wonder why the rates are up, sometimes these cars have safety features that'll keep your cost of insurance down, like safety features like anti-lock brakes, four-wheel disc brakes is another one, and also airbags on both passenger and driver's side. So these are the reasons why you want to shop, and make sure your insurance is affordable before you purchase this car. A lot of people get insurance shock. All of a sudden they go purchase a car, the price is right for the car, now you have to pay for the insurance. And that's part of your car payment. You have to add the insurance as well as the car payment in, and you have to figure out your total budget for that purchase. For more information, my name is Donald Marquez. Call me today at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I know you get car fever when you want to purchase a car. You got to have that new ride. You want to show everybody your new ride, but all of a sudden now you call your insurance agent and say, hey, how much is the insurance on this vehicle? And then all of a sudden you get an insurance shock. But that's why I encourage you to contact your insurance agent or contact us. We can give you a quote at 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. I'm just starting to get over this flu I had. And it's been lingering around for the last 4 months. 4 weeks. It felt like 4 months, seriously. Because, Frank, it lets me up and it lets me down. Some days I have a good day, or some days I just fall into bed and I just can't get up. But this flu that's going around, this epidemic, I call it, because, it lets you off the hook a little bit so you can do what you got to do, and then it'll throw your butt right back into bed.
Sure will.
Now, if you do have this flu, go to the doctor. Don't try to ride it out. I don't think this is a ride or die type of virus that's going around right now. You need to get some real meds inside of you. I had to go to the doctor twice to change my prescription, because what the doctor gave me at first was not working well for me. I told him I have appointments, I have people to see, and I cannot be in the bed all this time. But if you do feel the symptom coming down, go get yourself checked out so you can enjoy your holidays. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. We've been on the air now for the last 5 years right here, Power 88, all new Power 88. We want to thank the management and staff, and my engineer Brian Timms and everybody, Benzo. The staff, everybody here. Joy at the front, Lanice in the back, Diane, CJ. The list just goes on and on and on. Everybody here, Power 88 it's a family here. This is your radio station. So if you want to give a Christmas gift, give us a little small donation here at the Power 88 to keep these wonderful programs on the air. We talk about so many different subjects. We have people that come on, talk about Like It Is Radio, like Cheryl Lightford on Fridays. And we have Sheila Smith come on tomorrow from 10 o'clock to 10:30. She'll get that mortgage loan for you. So keep it locked right here. Kimberly just left. And with all her wonderful information she provides right here at Power 88. And my man, Langston Carter, he comes on from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock on Wednesdays with that funky jazz, that jazz funk. So keep it locked right here, Power 88. The wonderful thing about Power 88, we have Thanksgiving always is on a Thursday, right? So Thanksgiving is on a Thursday. So we can all day enjoy Classic Thursday right here, Power 88. While we, watching the game, it's in the background. Power 88 is in the background playing Classic Thursday. All right, everybody's getting ready to eat. So keep it locked right here, Power 88, the home of the People Station. And I love coming here. And I love you listening to my radio station, too. My broadcast has been on the air, again, for 5 years. I'm an insurance broker. I've been an insurance broker now for the last 5 years. I've been in the business for the last 23 years. And again, an insurance broker, there's a difference between an insurance agent that's captive that can only sell the one product. I've been there, done that. When I only can sell that company's one product. I was a AAA insurance agent, and I was an Allstate insurance agent, and I can only sell their products. As a broker, I have multiple companies. I can do the shopping for you. So bear with me. If you ever get turned down for life insurance, this is important. If you ever get turned down for life insurance, I know that's disappointing. But the life insurance company is going to evaluate you, the medicines you take, okay, all the prescription meds that you're taking right now, your health, your age, your height, your weight. This is called an underwriting process because you want the insurance, you may or may not qualify for it. But the beauty of being an insurance broker, if you don't qualify with one company, because I underwrite up front. In other words, I try to go through the underwriting process before it gets to the underwriter's desk. So I have done my homework up front. Now, if the underwriter sees something that I can't see, because they can see the prescription meds, I can't see that. Okay, I can't see any of that. I can only ask you what meds you're taking. You have to be truthful with me so we can make sure we place you with the right company, because I do not like to get turned down. Because, when you get turned down, then I always have a plan A and I have a plan B for you. I have multiple insurance companies I can shop for you for your auto insurance as well as your life insurance. Call me today. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My location is right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building located on the 8th floor, 702-236-2624. Call me today. Book an appointment. It's the holidays. We have family getting together. Talk to your family members about life insurance. It is so important. That now is the time. Stop kicking the can. Letting that responsibility be for someone else. I mean, that's not your child's responsibility. That's not anyone's responsibility but your responsibility. Get yourself some life insurance. Your family member's gonna appreciate you when that time comes, and it comes for all of us. Who wants to be in debt additional $15,000? This is our responsibility to take care of our family members, so our family members won't feel that impact. We're talking about $15,000 debt on top of the debt they already have. So if they have at least $10,000 in credit card, you just put them another $15,000 to pay for a final expense funeral. You just put your family members $25,000 in debt. Is that fair to your family members? Get yourself some final expense life insurance. We can get you qualified. It's only 12 questions. There's no physical. It's an easy to qualify final expense life insurance policy if you have diabetes, if you're on dialysis, if you have lupus, if you have cancer, heart disease. We can help you. We can, even if you have AIDS, HIV, over 50, we can get you up to $25,000 of whole life. Let us help you. You can pick the due date between the 1st and the 28th of each month. The draft comes directly out of your checking account. Everybody needs life insurance, and do not depend on your job to take care of your life insurance. It's just, I've been in this business for 23 years, and I don't know many policies from the job has paid off to pay for your life insurance. I'm just gonna put it out there. Most people retire, okay? They retire. You lose those benefits. Most people either they quit, they get laid off, or the benefits could change at any time. The benefits could change at any time. Now those job policies, if you're dependent on that, and that's all you're dependent on, once you retire, you don't have that benefit anymore, and now the cost of insurance has gone up because of your age, and age is a factor. Height, weight is a factor. Now, if you're a little overweight, that's fine too. We can find a life insurance policy for you. I have a company, they don't look at the weight as a factor, but most insurance companies do look at your weight as a factor. They look at your height, your weight, and it has to be in proportion. If it's not, either they're going to deny you for the coverages, or they're going to charge you more. They're going to uprate the policy or grade the policy, uprate it. Now, I had a young lady come in my office yesterday, and I just want to share this information with you. She purchased a life insurance policy. It's a 3-year graded life insurance policy for her mother. And I said, we need to sit down and talk about that. The 3-year graded, that means she's not covered for the first 3 years. That's a long time. That's a long time. With very little health issues. 3-year graded. But you have to understand the contract. This is why I'm here to help you better understand. Call me today. 702-236-2624. 702-236-2624. Leave a message. I'll call you back after the show. I know it's the holidays. You say, well, it's the holidays. I don't want to do it after the holidays. No. Now is the time. Life insurance is the gift of love. Give your family a gift of love. If you want to give a nice Christmas present to one of your family members, hey, look, I just bought a $25,000 life insurance policy. I just made you the beneficiary. Pretty nice, though, right? $25,000 beneficiary? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. I want to thank the listeners that came in and purchased home, auto, and life insurance. Thank you so much for your continued support. Also, the people that's on Facebook that go on Facebook and they ask questions. And we're going to get right to our Facebook listeners. Frank, good morning. How are you today? I know it's a little chilly.
Yes, it is.
I know it's chilly outside. And
it's going to be worse tomorrow.
It's going to be worse tomorrow? Well, that's okay. Yeah. I like the cool. Yeah. I do. I
don't snow, though.
Yeah. Well, you can go up to my house and get all the snow you want.
No, I don't want snow.
Oh, you don't want snow. Okay. All right. Well, what do we have from our Facebook listeners?
We have a couple of life insurance questions. The first one, the person wants to know is stating that they have type 2 diabetes and want to know are level term and decreasing term policy something that they should be looking at?
No, because they probably won't qualify. And I'm going to say that because I get people that's been turned down because they have diabetes. Now, term starts at $100,000. You have to qualify for term. Now, if you come and you have health challenges with diabetes, more than likely they will turn you down. Now, if there is a physical, now if you just fill something out, a card that comes in the mail, you buy in term for probably a minimum of 5 to 10 years, and but that's the only way you're going to get it. But if you need a full physical and you have diabetes, I do have a policy for you. It's a whole life policy, better than term, because term does end. If you have a 5-year, 10-year, if you have a 5-year renewable term policy, it's going to end, and the policy is going to go up. Now, you are getting older. Now you've had this term, and you find yourself, the people with term insurance, listen to me, you're going to find yourself at a time where that policy payment will be deducted out of your checking account, whatever the policy at the end of the term. If you're paying $50, $60 a month, and all of a sudden at the end of the term, if you haven't stopped the policy completely, now all of a sudden they need $300 to keep your policy active, because now you're in the extended term period. They're going to pull that $300 out of your checking account. You have to understand, term is not a permanent life insurance policy. It's only for that term. Now, these policies will go into the extended term, and they'll pull the money right out of your account, okay, without notice. You don't want that to happen, because it could cause other things to bounce. You know what I mean? And especially if you're on a tight budget, and we all live on a budget, but you want to make sure you understand where you are with your insurance. We give free reviews for insurance, for your life insurance, for your home, for your auto. And if you feel like you're paying too much for your auto, give us a call, 702-236-2624. Now, diabetics, the question is about diabetes. Listen, we can get you a life insurance policy Only thing you need to do is call me, and don't let the holidays hold you up. I'm available during the holidays. You know, I'm available now. I will be out Thursday, of course, but I will be available for you. 702-236-2624. Call me, leave a message. I will call you back right after the show. I'm live right now. This is live radio. Call me at 702-236-2624.
All right. The next question is, this person wants to know, will they be considered a smoker on a life insurance policy if they vape?
Vape tobacco? Or
No,
just vape?
like nicotine or
What that is?
non-nicotine.
That's a
vapes.
smoker.
Yeah.
So if it's the tobacco with nicotine, yes, you will be rated as a smoker. Now, I do have companies, if you do smoke cannabis, we used to call it weed back in the day. They call it, it's cannabis now, you know. I'm going to get me a nickel bag of cannabis. We didn't say that back then. I heard. I'll just be politically correct. So I'm going to give me a dime bag of cannabis. We didn't say that back then. I know a lot of y'all know what I'm talking about. I said, I'm going to give me a dime bag of It wasn't cannabis. It was some weed. But anyway, if you smoke marijuana cannabis, if you smoke cannabis, and that's all you smoke is cannabis, we can rate you as a non-smoker, that's really good. We can rate you as a non-smoker. If you smoke cigars on occasion, and that's, maybe 1 or 2 cigars a month, we can also rate you as a non-smoker. But if you inhaling tobacco, whether it's vape or just a regular cigarette, you will be rated as a smoker. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. My smokers, I don't get smokers calling me. For whatever reason, you're lighting a cigarette up and you need some life insurance. Don't kick the can because you're at high risk. You're very high risk. You're putting a lot of chemicals in your body when you inhale cigarettes. We all know that cigarettes kills about 400,000 people a year, and you may or may not be immune to that, but it kills 400,000 people a year. 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Get yourself some life insurance, whether you're a smoker or not. The reason why we ask these questions, we answer these questions, because insurance is really a lot more abstract when you purchase life insurance than people think. They see the price, they see how much coverage you have, and that's all they look at. You don't look at the fine print. You don't look at whether you're on a 2-year or a 3-year graded policy. That means the face amount is not fully there until a certain time. In other words, if you buy a $25,000 life insurance policy, you have to wait 2 years before the full face amount is available upon death. Now, the beneficiary will receive the money back plus 10% interest if you pass away within that first 24 months. But only thing you see is, I need some life insurance. This information came in the mail. I'm going to fill it out, send it in, and I'm covered. I'm good. And you may not be good, because now you purchased this policy and it may expire on you at age 80. Or it may go up on you at age 80, because you're buying the worst insurance possible when you buy it through the mail, fill that card out, and send it in. Because the life insurance companies, regardless where it comes from, because I've been asked, what about this company? What about that company? All the companies are fine, because to have a life insurance company, it has to have the billions of dollars. And I know I do not insure you at all. I'm a connection to you and the life insurance company. That's why I call your insurance connection, because I connect you to the life insurance company. You pay them. You don't pay me. You don't pay for any of my services. I don't charge for any of my services. And you cannot come in and make a payment for your auto insurance or your life insurance in my office. We don't take any money. You pay the insurance company. I connect you to the insurance company. So yes, these companies are good, but you have to understand the contract. You must understand the contract. All my life insurance companies are AAA rated. There are some life insurance companies I will not sell for. Because they want decreasing term, or the price may go up at a later date. That's called flex. I don't mess with those type of policies. Call me today at 702-236-2624. We can find a policy for you that'll fit your budget. We can find a policy that's custom fitted for you. Every person is different. One policy does not fit all. 702-236-2624. What else? You have another one, Frank?
Yeah, one more. This person wants to know, is critical illness coverage something that you offer in case they get diagnosed with a serious illness or suffer a stroke?
No.
Okay.
No. Well, you know, a lot of people have health insurance. So now I don't offer critical illness. No, I don't. I keep it simple.
Okay.
Life insurance, home and auto, and renters, motorcycle, classic cars. No, I don't. You know, critical illness. That's
life insurance.
that's not life insurance. That's more health insurance. So critical illness. There are some policies now to make sense of that. You know, there are some policies that will offer you so much per day for critical illness if you're in a hospital for for a certain period of time. But that's kind of falls under the category of health insurance or some type of a rider attached to your life insurance policy that'll pay that extra premium to you each month. But I keep my lines of insurance very simple. Whole life, universal life, term. Whole life, universal life, term. Auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, motorcycle and classic car insurance. I'm at a point in my career. I'm not trying to do the abstract. I'm just trying to keep it really simple. And the reason why I sell those products is because the majority of people that's what they're looking for. Critical illness, health insurance is so twisted right now. I refuse to sell health insurance. Now, I do have colleagues that will offer you health insurance, and they will offer you if you're turning 65 and you need Medicare. I have colleagues that I can refer you to. Steve Harvey is one of them. One of my colleagues that I refer you business to him, because you're an insurance agent. I don't mean you insure everything. You know, I mean I don't insure special events, commercial. Kind of stay away from all of that. I just keep it really simple. I can help you with your homeowners insurance, your auto insurance. We're going to combine your home and auto together to give you a discount. And if you have multiple cars, that's going to give you a discount too. If you're married, that's going to give you a discount on your auto insurance. No tickets, no accidents for the last 5 years. No tickets, no accidents for 5 years. You're married, you have 2 cars, you have a home. That's going to give you a great discount. If you have a young child that's getting ready to go on your policy, and I know, well, my child's a good child. I don't know why my insurance rates are so high. They don't go, we don't give a discount for good children. We just don't. We just don't. They're just inexperienced drivers. They're just inexperienced drivers. Now, I would say, wait till they're 18 to get a driver's license. That's better than 16. Wait till they're 18, then let them get their driver's license at 18. They're just a little bit more mature at 18 than 16. Can you get a driver's license at 16? I don't know.
I think so.
I'm going to look at it.
I got mine at 16.
I did too back in the day. When I was back in the day, man, when you turned 16 that day, you was down to DMV to get your driver's license.
That's right.
Oh, you was proud to show that driver's license at 16.
Yes, sir.
And then we went out and bought us a bucket for like $300 or $400.
Yep.
You can't do that today.
Yeah.
Buckets today cost like $4,000, $5,000, $6,000.
That's right.
For a bucket. But back in the day, we could get a. But I'm telling my age now. But we could.
Yeah.
I remember one time this guy wanted $100 for this car, and I was arguing with him because I only had $80. We was arguing over $20, but that's how it was, Wow. That's how it was back then. But today, oh no, not today. My name is Donald Marquez. We like to have fun at Your Insurance Connection. Call me today at 702-236-2624. And before I forget, I need to give a shout out to my aunt. She turned 80. Alice, is my aunt, and she turned 80, and I wasn't able to go to her celebration. She turned 80, and she's 80 and she's still kicking. She smokes. Yeah, I'm gonna put it out there. You need to put that cigarette down. But anyway, I was very sick, and I couldn't make it because I was in the bed with this flu, and it's just been hindering me. But anyway, I just want to give a shout out to my Aunt Alice. She listens to my show from time to time, or maybe all the time. I don't know. But anyway, I just want to give a shout out to my Aunt Alice. She turned 80. Happy birthday. So, what's your plans for Thanksgiving? You gonna eat turkey, watch the games?
Yeah, probably. It's gonna be cold and snowy, so
it is.
That's what they were saying. I was looking at the weather report this morning.
Oh, weather report, cold and snowy.
Cold, raining, a little bit of snow.
Oh, that's cool.
You know how it is.
Yeah, well, as long as the heater works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Football games on.
So yeah, as long as the heater works. Because, you know, back in the day when the heater didn't work, what did we do? If you remember that. Frank, where you from? The suburb?
No, I'm from St. Louis.
No, well, you ought to know. In St. Louis, you turn the oven on and you open the oven up.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
Brian know about all that. You know, he you know, when it's cold and the heater's not working, you turn the oven on and you open the oven up and let the oven heat the house up. Now, am I the only one? Oh, I am. No, when the heater, okay, so it's cold and snowy. When the heater doesn't work, you turn the oven on and you let the oven heat the house. I can't be the only one. I heard, okay? I know where I came from. See, y'all. Okay, Benzo, he understands what I'm talking about. And the rest of you do too. My name is Donald Marquez. This is Your Insurance Connection. We love to have fun. We love you listening. We won't be broadcasting this Friday. We'll be back next Tuesday. I want everyone to have a happy Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much. Call me today. Let's get you some life insurance. It's a gift of love. If you're paying too much for your auto insurance, we'll give you a quote. No charge for the quote. Come see me. My location is 2300 West Sahara, right on the corner of Sahara and Rancho in the U.S. Bank building. I work by appointment, 702-236-2624, 702-236-2624. Give me a call today. I'll call you right after the show. We'll book you in for an appointment. You know, and sometimes I will come in on a Saturday. I'll call you first before I leave my house because I live in Henderson, and that's a nice little drive from between Henderson and Las Vegas. But I will come in. We'll sit down and talk about your insurance. I will not work on Sunday. I don't do Sunday. However, I've been trying to reach out to the churches and different organizations. We would love to give you a seminar on life insurance. Your members, if you have people in your organization or your church communities that's 55 and older, and you want to give them an educational seminar on life insurance, we'd be more than happy to talk to your senior citizens about life insurance. We can truly help them with every time we give a seminar. We help people better understand their life insurance because as a beneficiary or as a concerned person in your family, the one that they're all going to turn to when that time comes, say, I don't have any money. She got the money or he has the money. Is that fair to him or her? To be responsible to bury someone? And again, what we do is we pass on generational debt instead of generational wealth. We shouldn't have to put that responsibility on someone else. You can take care of your own responsibility by getting yourself a life insurance policy. Now, if you have that family member out there with the diabetes, like Frank said earlier about the diabetes, we can help you find a policy that's going to fit. Diabetes, as long as you don't have any too severe diabetes, like complication of diabetes, including amputation, diabetic coma, blindness or kidney disorder. We can help you with that. Even if you do have complications of diabetes, including amputation, diabetic coma, blindness, or kidney disorder, we still can get your life insurance policy. If you have cancer and you're getting treatments, we can get your life insurance policy. If you have COPD, we can get your life insurance policy. Or if you have HIV or AIDS and you're over 50 years young, yes, we can get your life insurance policy up to $25,000. My name is Donald Marquez. Give us a call today. Everyone, have a happy Thanksgiving. Be safe out there. Don't drink too much and drive. Until next time, we're going to do this again next Tuesday from 9:30 to 10 o'clock. Just keep it crispy.